Morning guys, so we're up early because we're going to leave about 8ish to go to Filey this morning. And basically the weather's cold this morning, so I've got a hoodie on. James is trying to apply sun cream in the background. So I'm basically going to just show you the bags that we're taking. So here's one bag, so this has got my stuff in. And then here's the very heavy beach bag, which has also got my stuff in. And then those two bags over there are James's. So we're here in Filey now, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour. Here's the washroom. And this wicker chair. The picture. On a table. Bed. Picture. Rug. It's a sink with a mirror and a little shelf or something. Curtains. No.
You can go to the floor. And then we should go straight off.
This thing. A seagull. Here's the view. See the sea. And then over here we've got this little nightstand with some bits and pieces on a mirror. And then here's another bedside table and whatever you call this little store thing, a radiator, and there's James. So we're currently walking, trying to find the animal and bird park at the moment. Trying to follow Google Maps. It took us about in the wrong direction 5 times. So, yeah. That's what we're trying to do. This is what I've got for my lunch today. I got a cheese savoury sandwich from the cafe.
I think I'm filming. I don't know what I'm filming because it's very dark. So I might not be best quality in the world. I'm trying to keep the brightness down. But when you get my phone, you can film it when you have charge changes. It's to remember Filey's Lions Jubilee or something.
I've got my daily YouTube watching session, and we've also got South Park on Amazon. So this is a haul of what we got today. So James got something in this really nice wrapper. He got this little soldier from this shop. Pretty cool. And then from the Animal and Bird Garden, we both got the same magnet that says by Filey, Bird Garden and Animal Park. And then we both got a rubber that says Filey, Bird Garden and Animal Park as well. And here's the poster, well, mat thing for it. So we've got this from Amazon called Emily. James isn't feeling well, so he's just sat watching it quietly. We're going to end the video here now, and we will see you tomorrow for another exciting day. Bye.